Today we will be making a delicious skillet lasagna. No need for oven, just on the stovetop. For this easy recipe, you need 7 ingredients. You need 1 cup ricotta cheese, 1/4 cup Parmesan cheese, and 1.5 cup of Parmesan cheese. You'll need 1 pound of ground turkey. You need 1 zucchini, 1 26-ounce of pasta sauce, and 6 lasagna noodles. In a small bowl, mix together ricotta, Parmesan, and 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese. In a skillet over medium heat, brown turkey until it is no longer pink, breaking up any clumps. Add zucchinis and 1/2 pasta sauce, mix together, and reduce heat.